Not anonymous, not voiceless. Not anonymous, not choiceless. Not anonymous, not voiceless. Not anonymous, not choiceless. We are not afraid to speak out. We are not afraid to whisper or shout. We are not afraid to tell the truth. We are not afraid of vegan-phobic abuse. The animals are speaking and we're finally listening. Not anonymous, they have names. Voiceless, have desires. Anonymous, they want to live. Not choiceless, just to let them live. Veganism isn't a diet. Veganism isn't a temporary trend. Veganism is just basic moral decency. It's not stealing from them their flesh, eggs, milk, or liberty. Join our community, sing this melody. Not anonymous, they have names. Voiceless, have desires. Anonymous, they want to live. Not choiceless, just to let them live. We are against their exploitation. We will defend. We are their defenders from every nation. We will defend. We are brave people of all ages. We're children, we're teens, we're elderly sages. We're not anonymous, because the animals are not voiceless. They are screaming now, they are crying, courageous, because the animals need us now. Not anonymous, they have names. Voiceless, have desires. Anonymous, they want to live. Not choiceless, choose to let them live.